Well, I got my save the date, and the day's arrived for us to head to New York to see what's in store for this year's Decorator Show House. We should get there in about 2 hours and 20 minutes. Hopefully the weather clears by the time we get there. Looks like blue skies ahead. That's what I was hoping I would see. We arrived and we have to find 125th East 56th Street. Thank goodness for the kind customer service attendant that let me screenshot her phone. Well, hopefully this subway is the right one. After I saw the show house, and it was absolutely amazing. The colors, the texture, the fabric. It was basically like an art installation. So we're going to go inside and check it out. I'll see you in there. Before we start the tour, let's learn a little about the man who designed it. Charles A. Platt was a talented architect, landscape architect, and artist. Examples of his work can be found all over the country. I was excited to find out that many of them are right here in my home state of Connecticut. Here are just a few examples of his work, starting with today's show house, a neoclassical charmer. Let's head into the entryway, and you can see that they utilized the fifth wall, the ceiling, and you'll see throughout the show house hardly any of the ceilings didn't have a treatment of some sort on them. And this one was a very intricate, kind of reminded me of a loom. Very different. So let's make our way into the opening room. And I have to say, I really love this wallpaper. And there were a lot of nice elements in the room, but there was definitely a lot going on. Let's take a look around. Do love this window treatment. So beautiful. And the quality of the fabrics, you can't beat it. Now, before we head into the next room, make sure that you're subscribed because I found another show house in the Berkshires, and it's quite different than this one. Next is this gorgeous, I'm not sure if this was wallpaper or hand-painted mural, but it was gorgeous, and the flowers were also amazing. The mural continues, and throughout the home, there was a lot of little areas for bars. And I thought this one was kind of neat. Now let's take a quick peek into this little powder room. I love this rich color. This next room was quite neat. It opened up to their kitchen area, and again, there was just the most amazing wallpaper in here. But I have to tell you, it was such a challenge trying to shoot this video because there were so many people. Really hard to get the room without a bunch of people in it, so I did the best I could. kitchen area was amazing. Unfortunately, you can't see that cooker there is navy blue. You could see it there a little bit. It was absolutely stunning. Now let's head upstairs, but before we do, let's look at this intricate wrought iron work. Beautiful. Ooh, let's check out this dining room with lots of bold, rich colors. I thought this tablescape was amazing, and I love the coral color. I thought this artwork was stunning. Can you believe that it's all made out of shells? I bet that took some time. This wallpaper kind of reminded me of a Gustav Klimt painting. I love this Rococo-styled console table. Definitely something to behold. Check this out. It's like a convex mirror, but I never saw my reflection. Now, there was many rooms in this house, but I have to tell you, this is one of my favorites. And the artist did these beautiful designs in a plaster relief, and the docent not only encouraged us to touch, but said some people couldn't come in because of their fear of snakes. Now let's head upstairs, but check out this art installation that went up several flights of stairs on the ceiling. I'll show it to you so you can see what I'm talking about, but it definitely was interesting. Let's go. So we're going to follow this colorful carpet up. Let's venture into this next space. Now, I love that fireplace, but I didn't care for that treatment. I found a picture of the original fireplace. I don't know, the plastic baby dolls covered in black. Didn't work for me, but love these draperies. There, you can see it there. I would rather see the wood. Love this coffee table. It was amazing. The designer did an amazing job of choosing the art and accessories in this space. Let's get a closer look at that beautiful window treatment.
Let's see what's on the other side of the room. Now here's another one of those little bar areas. And look at this wallpaper. I mean, the texture of this was amazing. I'm not quite sure what it is. It kind of looked like a cork type thing. I'm not really sure. Let's take a closer look. Love the mirror. And I thought this brass console table was pretty interesting as well. Let's head to this very exquisite bathroom. I have never seen such stunning marble as I have in this show house. Let's take a look. Let's check out the serene bedroom. Yeah, let's take a look at this next room. You can see the ceiling treatment. I love it. And this is a great example of maximalism. So many beautiful things. I would hate to have to dust in here though. Let's check it out. I thought this hand-painted chest was a beautiful piece. Let's take a peek at this little eclectic bathroom. Let's venture into this European-styled green cozy bedroom. It actually was dark but really pretty. And you'll see that the ceiling here, they added these beams just to give it a little architectural interest, add to that coziness. Let's take a peek. I thought this carpet was so beautiful. I liked how the designer framed himself out and just hung it as a picture. Kind of cute. let's check out this much brighter rose pink bedroom. Ooh, I can see myself curled up in that cozy little nook. Now this next space truly was like an art installation. You could see it was this kind of this animation going on. Really cozy little lounge space. And the docent told us that the whole room was inspired by this fabric that the designer found abroad. Let's take a closer look. Time to head downstairs, and I have to say that this was definitely one of my favorite rooms. I mean, look at this wallpaper. I mean, this designer was not afraid to use color. She had a lot of beautiful things. Let's take a closer look of this elegant tasting room. I mean, look at how gorgeous the stone is here. Also check out the stone on the counter. The designer told me she had to source things in about 3.5 weeks. Now, next up was a gaming room, and I had an out of Africa theme. The hand-painted mural was amazing, and this reddish orange made it quite cozy. Let's take a closer look. Now let's take a step outside. Check out this hand-done mosaic. Isn't that amazing? How lucky to have a space outside in the city like this. And the nice thing is, it had shade. Let's take a stroll around. More things that I thought was interesting. If you want to see the last show house that I toured, the iconic River Mansion, that when it opened was on sale for $24 million and now is down to $9.995 million, click this video right here and I'll see you over there.